Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch alloy wheels. Black MB text interior with a metal weave trim, ambient lighting, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, tower liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display, MBUX, which is Mercedes-Benz user experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey my Mercedes." "Hey my Mercedes."
How can I help you?
Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 25,246 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, visit us at feldmanimports.com.